Rewardful versus Trackdesk. Two big contenders in affiliate management, but which one really delivers? On the left, Rewardful, known for simple and straightforward affiliate management. On the right, Trackdesk, the scalable platform with unlimited everything. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category gets scored, so you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. All right, quick overview. We're going to compare these two on pricing, setup and integration, affiliate management, payout management, reporting and analytics, network and scalability, and finally, support and training. So let's map that out. Got it? Awesome. Here we go. First up is pricing. Starting with Rewardful, they've got this super simple, transparent thing going. $49 a month, and that's it. No weird revenue surprises. No price bumps if you grow big, and you get a 14-day free trial to poke around. If I had to be picky, sure, maybe their plan structure isn't as customizable, but honestly, the flat rate is refreshing. Now, Trackdesk. They're all about unlimited. And yeah, you do get unlimited clicks, affiliates, conversions, all that. But here's the twist. Pricing starts at $67 a month. And as your revenue goes up, so does their fee, up to $624 a month. That's a bit spicy, right? There's no upfront cost, and you do get a trial. But if you scale, be ready for that bill. So for pricing, Rewardful just makes it way easier on your wallet. No suspense there. Now let's talk setup and integration. Rewardful is all about speed. Literally, you run through 5 steps and it's up. Stripe and Paddle integrations are a breeze, so you can get started without a headache. Only catch, you're mostly limited to those 2 for payment providers. Trackdesk goes for that one-click magic with Stripe, and not going to lie, setup might actually be faster. Under 5 minutes, they claim. Plus, they support all payment providers and even offer migration help if you're switching from somewhere else. But one thing, Trackdesk is a newer platform. Like, they just launched in 2022, so it's still finding its feet. Still super smooth for integrations, but in terms of sheer simplicity and reliability, Rewardful takes this one for setup. Affiliate management time! Rewardful lets you create campaigns with segmentation, set custom commission rates, bulk import affiliates, handle fraud, and gives a branded portal for your affiliates. It does a ton, but doesn't offer that partnership manager marketplace thing. On the flip side, Trackdesk goes full throttle with unlimited affiliates and conversions, private offers, robust fraud protection, the partnership manager marketplace, and segmentation. Only thing is, since it's newer, it doesn't have as much street cred just yet. You know what? Both cover all the core stuff you need, so on this front, it's a tie. Honestly, can't go wrong with either. Okay, quick fun fact, because I didn't know this until recently. Rewardful was actually founded in Canada way back in 2017, while Trackdesk is the new kid, based out of the Czech Republic, since 2022. Just a little global trivia for you before we jump back in. Next up, payout management. Rewardful does what you'd expect. Works with PayPal and Wise, does mass payouts, and even handles refunds automatically. Sounds solid, but your options for payment providers stop at Stripe or Paddle, which feels a bit limiting. Trackdesk, though. Oh, and here's something cool. Supports all payment providers, automates payouts, lets you handle bulk payments and recurring commissions, and protects you from refund chaos. It might take a little more work up front, but for serious scale and ease, Trackdesk clearly wins here. On to reporting and analytics. Rewardful brings real-time reports, performance insights, CSV exports, and generally good analytics. Nothing that'll blow your mind, but nothing lacking either. Trackdesk matches those features. It's got real-time tracking, exports, and here's a tiny edge, no limits on tracking requests. But really, when you put them both side by side, the difference is, well, almost invisible. So we're calling this one a tie. Network and scalability. This is where things get interesting. Rewardful is built to scale, and it's been around since 2017, which gives it street cred. But their network score is decent, not epic, and there's no mention of letting you go unlimited with conversions. Trackdesk, meanwhile, is basically built for unlimited everything, with a high network score and features like their partnership manager marketplace. Yeah, it's newer, but it's got the muscle for really big affiliate ops. So for network and scaling up, Trackdesk is the way to go. Last category, support and training. Rewardful absolutely nails this, if you ask me. You get dedicated human support. They're hands-on through setup and ongoing management, and they'll actually help you succeed, not just send you links to docs. Plus, some nice webinars thrown in. Only thing missing is a true 24/7 live rep. Trackdesk does offer docs, webinars, and solid migration help, but their vibe is more automated and less personalized. Maybe it'll get there, but for now, Rewardful is the clear winner for support. Let's pull up the radar chart real quick. As you can see, Rewardful just crushes it on pricing, support, and ease of setup, while Trackdesk pulls ahead big time on scalability, unlimited automation, and payout flexibility. Reporting and affiliate management, pretty much identical. This visual just makes it super clear. So what's my verdict after lining everything up? If your business wants straight-up simplicity, predictable pricing, and hands-on support, Rewardful is your best bet. But if you know you're going to scale hard or want all the automation, payment flexibility, and never want to hit limits, Trackdesk is probably where you want to land. Both have a 14-day trial, so it's actually worth trying them out before dropping any cash. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.